Hello friends, today we will discuss about top 5 benefits of automated sliding gates. In today's times, having stylish gates for sure may add to your captivating look, but at the same time it is also necessary to have a gate which protects your house too. Each and every house needs to have a safety boundary around itself. Many people expect to look for gates that would add to beautification of their houses as well as keep their residential as well as commercial areas safe. But you need not limit yourself to selecting gates from limited variety of manual swing gates. With changing times, a wide variety of gates have been developed to fulfill the needs of people depending on the criteria and the place they need the gates to be installed. Currently, the most opted type of gates is Automatic Sliding Gates.People prefer these kind of gates since it does not require any kind of manual operation and need no energy for being opened or closed. The electric sliding gate kits are installed to open and close the arrangement of sliding gates automatically. Moreover, a brace or a gear is installed at opposite sides of the doors to make the moving of the gates easier and automated. There goes a list of factors of why an automatic swing gates should be installed. But for your convenience, we have picked out a few most important factors to answer your eager question and provide you a clearer perspective about automatic sliding gate. Why automatic sliding doors are a prominent choice. 1. Appearance. Every house needs a lavish look. Who doesn't want to show off? All of us have want to present our houses in the best manner. This is one of the most exclusive feature of a sliding door which make them suitable to be used. 2. Easy to use. The automatic sliding doors are easy to use as they reduce most of the task. These doors operate on their own and reduce manpower. They as a result provide you convenience of getting the complete task done without applying any kind of manual energy. 3. Security. Automatic sliding doors are a complete package with the facility of providing NAMI off the incoming visitor, inbuilt warning sensors and different optional features for the owner. The automatic sliding door is more safe and secure as compared to other optional gates. 4. Occupies less space. Another benefit of the automated sliding gates is that it occupies less space as compared to rest of the gates. In today's era, space is the most demanding feature expected from any product. Any product in the market has a great significance if it occupies less space as compared to other products. Owners expect the same from gates too. Automatic sliding gates allows the owner to relax from all the worries of the space that will be occupied by the gates. As an added benefit, it also adds to the looks of the house in an impressive manner. 5. Low maintenance. The automated sliding gates are low-cost maintenance gates. They automatically sliding gates are durable due to the usage of high-quality materials and unique techniques during the manufacturing of the gates. 6. High utility. Due to various other factors, automatic sliding gates have high utilization as compared to manual swing gates or any other variety of gates. Also, they serve purpose for a long time and are highly durable. There are many other factors which make automated sliding doors a preferable option for their utilization. You can choose from a wide variety of colors or surfaces. In addition to these, there are various other reasons too which make automated sliding doors the first choice. And one always has a choice to adorn their houses with exclusive material. To know more about automatic sliding gates, visit at www.quickoitaly.com web link. Thanks for watching our video. Don't forget to press the bell icon. Do like, share and subscribe to our channel.